else. You can voice your opinion, I can only listen. But at the end of the day, the decision lie with me. And if him the one me, if him birthday party as him friend, he would have fuck TikTok and fuck what people are gonna say. You know, so Rosealee come, me I ride or die with you as a friend. Not if I talk about day, me I talk about friendship. When I talk about no days. Cause nobody not desperate for nobody. I mean, no man. But me I talk about friendship. You ride and die with a friend. You know, make a friend feel less than a woman. How you think I gonna feel? Figure it out, go, you are gonna do the diamond, gonna do the forward of the series. Throw the damn in the day. You think me I gonna feel? I'm not busy where people want to say, or you think my feel, not valid my feelings as a friend. Me not like that. Me not love that. You take talk from people. Some look waste people. We only like it to you have highlight. Because back then, them never look upon you and them you take validation from. And I seek validation from. Love who love your youth. And I'm not realize that I'm not talking. Me now go. Swiss them me I run behind her. Because Swiss never style me yet. Me never seated by her. Yeah.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and you can see on the screen. Yup, Rosealee is finally realizing that Akeem really don't want her. You see, some people and Diamond figure it out. They don't really like her either because she's like a third wheel now. Because as you can see, she wasn't invited to his, birthday party today. In Club Mecca. As you know, the other one that he kept, not birthday, but event at Club Mecca, she wasn't invited, but she got the same way, to make Jakes jealous. He said, I say, and I skin out the front pan, Akeem up in the club, but as you can see, the sender said, trouble in paradise. I know you see Rosealee basically bawling. You see, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And at the end of the day, she did all of this, and Jake's gone. So surely I feel it now. You see me? So people just like and share the video from right now. And let's hear what going for not to go on, you see me?
Sister will never style me yet. I feel party me I go. And the first year when him keep him party, I first buy one cabana, me first. Come and say everybody that come from foreign and I TikTok with them and just save up my money, hustle it and make it up and buy it. And go. Enjoy myself. I'm doing have a wonderful time. And I'm always say, where bones are not provided, them invite dog. So me know say me a dog. And you not gonna provide the both for me now. Go enough up myself. Cause me no want to go say, me no want to go come out and say, oh, and now I'm tell her she should come to my party, she still come. When Uno start pressure him and him bust like pipe. Cause them so when pressure bust pipe, he bust. Maybe it's with you know. My company and rank my money and do me. I do. Me in the comment section. Me have one whining video. Me have 7,000 comments over there and I know me not look for one. All know me not look whether they want to be good, bad, or indifferent. Me left the people for go and stir up their mind in it. Me not look. When me drop video on my page, me not read comment. No time at all. Because in a life, good and bad are for bill you. Everybody can't like you. Good and bad bill people. Oh. A good and bad bill people. Good and bad bill you. Good alone can't bill you. Even the prime minister them class. The two prime minister them. One for Jamaica, one for foreign. Everybody them class and throw under the bus. So who are you? We don't know we're not perfect. You cannot keep your big bad birthday party and make everybody do ads. And me supposed to do the first ads. Me supposed to do the first ads. The first one drop and me supposed to do it. So outside. And then we all look support for you. No, you don't want it that we can have. That somebody I tell you this, and that somebody I tell you this, and that somebody I tell you this. So somebody I program you all the while to stay far from Rosealee because she's salt. And so now I bring her down. And Rosealee, I remember the last time they bring her down with Rosealee. I mean, them say you make this happen. And you just make the people them attack one bag of fuckery and I chat one bag of fuckery. And you feed into it. And you fall into it. And Rosealee, and load that, and this, and that, and blay, and blay. And you feed into it, you fall into it all the time. When you go think for yourself, me no like people not think for themselves. Me no like nobody when not think for themselves. Me no like them type of people there when not think for themselves. You say if you go sit down and worry about what people I say, me don't even want you around me. Oh? Fuck people. Me no like people who think about what people are going to say about them. Come, me not think about what people are going to say about me. And that's why I still click my life. They care them say I was dirty and nasty and cranny and stink. Me click my life same way. Don't care them say me broke and hungry and this. Me click my life. See, don't care man, no matter where them step on me. Me click my life yes the same way. Because what? I can't have the self on the internet. And an algorithm flow. Rhythm after rhythm after rhythm. This is the rhythm of the night. Oh, night. Oh, yeah. Me had the blood clots usually locked down the net for weeks. For me, a quick live will start. I'll be your views. Beer views. Whether it's real or it's fake. Beer views. And people in tune and people locked in. I can't wait for see we. For do two. For come just come on the screen, come chat. So you got blood clot, me know say. The good times when it was nice and good, they could have had me every day, but when it get shaky. When the people them get too enough now. Cause enough them I get too enough. And I slide too look stamp up too look blood clot, dirty criticism. You're gonna make that you keep one party in your birthday and if I come around you. Sure. Keep on a party. Busy, don't know. I play chat on the run, go recharge. I play one good match with Lolo. We don't talk. I'm gonna say, when I run go recharge, I will go and play too much. Remember me not sleep. Remember me not walk and seek acceptance. And remember me not seek validation. On the net. One thing me would do, I always hold my head and chin up. You care who wanna say about me. It's like someone only get in a comment section we are class, never look down you. Cause 95% of only when the live start, only not send not even a rose. And someone not tapping the screen either. And when I start a live and everybody put your live, I go like you. You gotta have good, bad, and the indifference mix up. The one people that I like, I don't want to willing for tap your screen, and the one willing for dip it in them pocket and say, they go shoot. And then I come to. Me not come to name sayings and chat him out. And who I say this and who I say that and what am I gonna say about me and what am I gonna say about me and what am I gonna say about me. That me not come about that. Cause no matter where you do in life, people are always gonna talk. Always. And when they do not know, them still got chat. And that me know. Not care what you do in a life. They could have been Miss Perfect. Them still got chat. Them gonna find something. Oh, you look good, but you're too black. Oh, you look good, but I think the watch on your hand, I think the watch you wear for your right hand should I wear over your left. To wear for the left hand. Oh, you look good, but I don't like them ears ring there. Oh, you look good, but you look good in the, no, you say look good in the picture, but bad look picture, but you couldn't smile more. All them something there. You can't stop people from chat. You look good, but you couldn't smile in that picture so people stay. Oh. It's always gonna be a but for them. Me not see nothing wrong with but. Me not see nothing wrong with that but. You can't please people. It's a me could keep my blood clot birthday party. And my friend with me I ride it all long. Toto got to go with me no say him not come on my birthday because people are classy. Me done with blood clot. Toto me I tell him straight. Toto me no want a friend for you and I'm done with you. Cause if you go follow what people are gonna say about me, stay far. Cause look how long we are friends. That's why me now stop talk. Me I rate who rate me. Stand with who stand with me. I'm a done talk. Cause if me like you, nobody can tell me nothing. Boy, you. Them could have talk till them drop down. Them could have try iron. For me, Rosealee rate you. Nobody can tell me shit. You have to do me something for me think otherwise. And that's why I live from my band till now. For me like you, nobody can tell me shit. Nobody can corrupt me. Nobody can turn my mind against you. You know time blame me over your class me. But blame them. Put and blame them. Blame them. Don't time blame me over your class me. I'm say, oh, people say, oh, blame them class and blame them this and that, blame them blah 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 blah. Maria blame them long time. I'm a local friend, long time. I'm a loyalty stands. And him don't tell me, so Rosealee, when the moment the party like I talk, I don't me I talk about. I clout me, I look, don't follow me up, don't follow me up, don't vex. It mean nothing. Me a G in a real life. Someone wanna mix internet with real life too much and get carried away. That's why I wanna turn so. Me not mix internet with real life. Come I know the blood clot game, I know the pussy clot work. Come Mr. Jaden a man, you know the blood clot road and the mail me, I heal him. And then Mr. Jabba sort of man, and Mr. Jabba sort of road a man, and I heal Jabba. And Jabba's heal me, I heal Jabba's. I'm telling you something. It's the first time I see TJ. It's when last year when me and TJ, as someone else TJ, I just ban hypocrite, you know. Me know him a cloud tracer, that's why I stop follow him up. So you know what I'm look on him? I when me see him with Jakes, I do live and him a chat TJ, I'm not follow him up, you know. You see when TJ meet me last year at Rosealee party, remember I kick the bucket all the while, you know. I'm a class him, I'm a tell him my mind, I'm a class him, and him and him woman come and my cabana them come, teeth last year. When I kick, when I got Rosealee party, and my cabana them commander. Track, is if I'm blood clot TJ come there. What? I Mr. to him and him wanna look on him, you know. Him have one there's something really wrong with me. And as wicked as him blood clot be, if him see that screener card as wicked as him be, last year, no come me and him kick the bucket on this blood clot TJ. No come me and him kick the bucket last year. Me meet him. A blood, me and my cupboard and him got Rosealee party. Me not look on him. Want me Rosealee, want him come here some man. And then buy them liquor. All know me not look on him now, woman. I don't look on them. So when the party done, you know him look on me and tell me, say, then I say this in a real life. Me say, watch out, you don't know nothing about me. When me come as I work, me come. Me all real life are two different blood clot story. Him can testify to that. I know me not look on him. For the whole party night, me no look pan TJ when I know same day. As so comes, me never know Onela put on. A long after me say Onela in a photo. Because me not look pan people. Because me not go about that. A party me go. Internet and real life are two different something for me. Me not follow the chattings and comment section of what them are going to say. They much girl in a comment section class me daily. And as me click my life, them run up on it like them full up the numbers. And the haters full of numbers. Come there so with 8,000 people, I want 4 live goal. And I know I must get it for the night done. And haters full up your numbers. Me no whole argument with people. Let me know they make them talk. Because in a life, bad criticism build you too. It build you too. And you know if make it break you. Oh. When me a ball on the internet are personal issues me have. Internet never remember ball yet. Personal issues me have. When me sit down and overthink about, I do bring tears. Internet never make me ball. Never. I mean a ball by your phone. Oh. Because if the wall away beg the same place, the wall away can do. Some do it faster than some. The wall away, the wall away beg the same place. Also on that some do it faster than some. Some spend for them one faster than some. The whole of we are human, we have problem and daily issues. I couldn't make nobody on the internet make me feel less than who I am. Never. Come on now seek validation. I'm not look people to accept me. If me done shit but already. And that's why I got tuck in and put out. And the only reason I take them on Jaro, because me the two extra overweight. And I say me I try lose some pounds. Come on, I buy clothes, it fit me. That's why I try lose some book. I'm going to take off some of the weight. I'm going to buy some of the clothes. It can actually fit me and not. And that's the only reason why. Oh. You know, people accept me. Because 80% of we are class people now have $1 to send them. You know, like somebody going to want a cup of tea. Son in a box by my name, just black, you know. Little pound, you know. Certain things about me, you know. And it's a social media, we brilliant break you. All artists get backlash. If an artist get backlash, what do you think an artist are going to do? Come out, use that and come out stronger and bigger and better. Just improve on it. When artists name a call up and artists get backlash, what do you think artists do? Use that and come out with one big song. Come with a forward. If him did wise enough, him that's a blood clot. Them class was over there, yeah? And I put them around. Come here, tickers. One, you are my party. And when him click him live and when him come over here in that chat, it does make him know. So listen to me now. I'm my friend that for life. I'm not care what nobody wants to say. I'm gonna always have our back. Fuck uno. And them friend them want ride or die friend. Me no want a friend to come around me when it's sweet. And when they get bitter, you can't see them. Me no want them the friend there. Fuck him and him blood clot party. As Swiss we a go. But Lulu, they can make me want to leave here now, you know. I pass my bedtime. What you do?
What you do? What's up?
What?
You miss me?
Hey, me tell you this. Me not there with boy in my mind, you know. And the boy never sell me no dream yet, because I not buy a dream here. Have a good night. That's something seriously wrong with you.
Why you always call?
Your blood clot, though. No buy the boy not sell me dream. Me not hear what's this. The boy come sell me no dream. Take me a dream trace of the boy come sell me dream. Me not do with boy in my mind, because I not do Lulu and me not mad. No, not about me. I mean, me the smartest. Gemini the smartest people born alive. Nobody can sell me no dream. Me can't do the walk, talk the talk, and act the act. You not sell me nothing. Me can't do the walk, talk the talk, and act the act. You not sell me nothing. Me smarter than you. Me think I that time. Plan I that time. That's why I'm not live for the moment. And that's why someone want if things are going for me or not. Because I think I that time. Nobody not sell me no dream. No can't program me. No can't study me. And one thing me know. Me unpredictable. Fuck. So go and follow me up. Cause me can come out, me can create something and come out 2 days after and change the narrative. Don't follow me up. You don't want to follow me up. Don't follow my name, don't follow me up. Unlike follow people on this. Don't follow me up.
Yeah, worries in the dance. Anyway, people, as you know, we found out who our dog side chick that's having the baby is. Yeah, her name is Loyal Baby. You see, we ran the review yesterday on my Mix Up and Things channel. You see me. The sender was able to detail a lot of things, and as you can see, they sent some footages. You see, so do the right thing, my people, and subscribe to all of my platforms, the Boom Bye Bye News, and my Mix Up and Things channel. Yeah, Mix Up and Things channel that you see in front of you right now. You see me, I say, because I have a lot of bagga, you see me? Right? So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.